Good morning, everyone. My name is Monisha. I am telling about my school, my friends, my teachers. I invite my friends, okay na? First friend Mishra, second friend Aryani, third friend Swati, fourth friend Srinidhi, fifth friend Jahanavi, sixth friend Ruchita, seventh friend Ishita, ninth friend Uhalakshmi, 10th friend I am. Now teachers. First teacher Lalita teacher, next PT teacher, next Rajalakshmi teacher, next Priya teacher, Anupama teacher, and Mastanbi teacher. These teachers I like. And Madhavi teacher also. I like sirs. PT sir and Johnny sir and Raja sir and Indra madam.